This new transition that you're experiencing is not for you to suffer. You're not in a perpetual state of suffering. You are awakened to this truth. You are the chosen one in your bloodline. And it's not something easy. Other people have the ability to be chosen as well, but they chose to go along with the world. You're choosing to trust that God is allowing you to experience certain things, to go certain places, to be set apart for the restoration, for the redemption of your bloodline. You're the woman for the job. You're the man for the job. And this job is you taking up the mantle of what the Most High is calling you to do. The Most High is calling you to go your own way. Go the direction that Holy Spirit is leading you. And that is breaking free from intergenerational traumas.
Everywhere I go, beauty finds its way in the little things of every day. A fleeting smile, the endless blue. Life feels better when shared with you.
What this may look like is you not giving in to the societal norms that's been placed on you. You not giving in to the hand-me-downs, the traditions that may have been very traumatic that has been passed on in your bloodline. You are the one that feel and see things differently in your bloodline for a reason. And it's because you're the one that is going to be able to go all the way. And although, I'm just going to give you a forewarning, although it's not always going to be easy, still remain solid through it all. Okay, the Most High is calling you to do this thing because there is blessings that has been promised throughout many years, but nobody had the courage to actually do the work and to break free from your traumas. You're not allowing yourself to be in situations or circumstances that feel uncomfortable towards you. And by you having the courage to do what is uncomfortable at times, to say that, hey, wait a minute, I want different for my life. I want better for my life. You are going to be blessed beyond your wildest imagination. Like, do not put any type of cap or any type of limitation on what the Most High is going to be doing for you, because it's going to be major. I'm talking about you're going to have a reversal of health issues. You're going to have a complete overhaul of your life. You're going to be able to, even some of you, you're going to be able to see blessings happen for you that you have dreamed about. You have seen other people be blessed, but you may have wondered, okay, why are things on pause, or why am I going through these delays? Some of you had to start over time and time again. Even if you're in the midst of transition and starting over, trust the process. Trust that if God is allowing you to see something, it is for a reason. And He wants you to see the dysfunction that other people turn a blind eye to. He wants you to hear certain conversations. Sometimes the Most High is putting you in a situation to make it look like you're on the bottom, just so that you could see how people really want to treat you and who was going to be there for you. And so you're going to have to be praying your way through this thing. Just let you know. Because oftentimes in this physical realm, you're not going to have people around you. That's just what's going to happen. You're going to be in a space of just you and God. You and the Most High, you and Yeshua, you and Jesus Christ. That's just what's going to happen. Because within that, you're not only going to be provided for, you're not only going to be protected, you're going to be able to have a bird's eye view. You're going to see clearly of what you need to have in your life and what you don't. So trust this process, be encouraged, and know that your faith is going to take you through this whole thing. And anything that it seemed like you have lost, the Most High is going to replace it with better. Not only better, with the best. Keep moving in faith. The Most High loves you, and I do too.